Hi and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about an artificial intelligence which will help you to create your scripts. So first of all, we're gonna open Google, obviously, or your browser. Type in OpenAI, press enter, and the first link will be openai.com. We're not gonna click straight on that. There is ChatGPT. We're gonna click on that. So click on it. So once it's open, you're gonna come to this site. So basically, once you're on the site, you're gonna open this try ChatGPT, and this gonna open you. It's gonna bring you to this site, right? That's the chat site from the ChatGPT. From here we can open our doc file, so we're ready to copy and paste basically. So once we have opened our documents, we're gonna go here on title, because on the beginning it's gonna be the title, right? So we're gonna go back here on ChatGPT, and the bottom here is like search bar where you can type any of your questions. So first of all, gonna need to know what kind of video you're gonna make, what topic it's gonna be, right? I hope you have done your research on it. So we're gonna pick a random for this test. So let's say top 5 ways to lose fat in 1 month, right? Something like that. So we're gonna copy that, put it here. We can even type it straight in here, right? And click on the arrow. So what he's gonna do, he's writing me basically 5 ways how you can lose fat in 1 month. He's gonna do all the research online and type me a complete basically almost a script, right? So right here, it's important to note that these methods can take some time to show results. Alright, he even mentioned some information about all these 5 points, so that's good. We can use that as well. So basically what he gave us is 5 points. We have our title here, right? And we're gonna go here and start with the portion of text he provided us. Copy and paste it here straight. Maintains. So, alright, he's done some grammar mistakes. So we're gonna correct that. Help with Google. So what we're gonna do is copy all 5 points here. I'll open up my editor right here. I'll paste it in here once. I'll mark all, copy all. It's like Control A and Control C. I'm gonna paste it here with Control V. So here we have all the 5 points, right? Oh, it doesn't show up right proper. But we probably gonna know how. Here is number 1, right? So you're gonna type here number 1. We're probably gonna put like this. The second one was follow. Then we're gonna put number 2. That's gonna start with drink, right? Here is number 3. And here is the number 4 probably. And at the last, the number 5, right? Here we go. So here we have 5 points, right? Let me get rid of all these big gaps. so we can have it on one page like this. So our script starts like top 5 ways to lose fat in 1 month. It's important to note that these methods can take some time to show results, and also it's better to maintain sustainable lifestyle changes rather than relying on short-term extreme dieting exercising. Also, an AI cannot give a specific diet or exercise plan. Consulting a doctor. Oh, alright, so we get a part here like also as an AI, so he tells basically our viewer that he's an AI, so we're gonna erase that. So and we're gonna start like, I would also consult a doctor or dietitian to get a tailored plan for you, right? So that's good. And we're gonna put one more line here. So without wasting, alright, what should I do? Without wasting more time, let's get into it. Number 1, implementing a good consistent exercise routine. So like you can read up all the numbers here down, and at the bottom you go down here and you can ask a question like, so they comment on your video, right? So let us ask like, was these methods, oh, I made a mistake as well, helpful for you? Let us know down below in the comments. Like this. Was these methods helpful? Question mark. For you? Question mark. Let us know down below in the comments. So you can put it like, you want to type the big letters, no problem. Oh, sorry, I made a grammar mistake as well. So were these methods helpful for you? Let us know down below in the comments. That sounds good, right? Not at the last, we're gonna put like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. That's all. That's the whole script basically. So that's a small video, small tutorial how to write a unique script using the help of an AI called OpenAI. Link will be down in the description. You also can check out our other videos. So don't forget even to like, share, and subscribe this video. Stay tuned.